Hi, I'm Jordan from Sawblade.com. Let us save you money and enhance your cutting experience with our performance line of Qsaw blades. The Qsaw Pallet Dismantling series was designed for the high production cutting in the pallet recycling industry and are manufactured and sold direct from Sawblade.com to save you money. Our 12-inch 40-tooth pallet blade features premium-grade carbide with an ATB grind for reduced snagging and fast, efficient rips through hard and soft wood. It also features industrial brazing that creates an extra durable bond between the teeth and body of the blade. Our Qsaw blades cut straighter because of their laser-cut bodies rather than stamped, which results in less distortion, delivering a truer square blade. The 12-inch 40-tooth pallet blade is ideal for high production, cross-cutting, and ripping where a satisfactory finish is needed. Sawblade.com has an extensive line of sawing products, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.